Uh-oh. Hello. Here you go. Yep, there you go.
I told ya.
Hey guys, it's Hay and Chas. We are currently on our way to the Olympic Game Farm, which, if you know, you know. We are currently in the car, so I'm sorry for the bumpy filming. We are on our way to the Olympic Game Farm, which is where you basically like pull your car up and you get to feed animals as they come up to your car. So it's gonna be super fun. We decided we would just kind of vlog it to be socially distant because of COVID, but also go out and have some fun. Well, we will check back in later. We have 5 loaves of bread.
Yep, and our little map.
Okay.
And we are on our way. On this map, I'm stoked because there's so many different animals. You guys are gonna see this is so fun. Looks like we're starting with the deer and then, oh my God, the prairie dogs. Just wait for this. This is too funny.
Charlie's been here. I've never been here. I've been wanting to come here ever since I found out it was a thing, but never been.
This is gonna be so fun.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, let's go.
Oh, that one missed.
Oh my gosh. Look at these little guys.
Look at him. Oh, the birds are going and grabbing the bread I just gave them.
Look at the gopher.
Oh my goodness.
Film this, film this.
Wait. Hello. It's not zooming in, babe.
No, I know, it won't let you zoom.
To your fingers and ears with the zebra and horses. They may bite. Okay.
Oh! Oh! A challenger has entered the ring! Can you please get this? A challenger has entered the ring.
Ooh. Here he comes. He's coming.
Hey, what's up, my dude? How you doing? Yeah, I got more for you. There you go. Oh no!
There's 4 more. They're just sitting here waiting.
I know. Hey, dude, here you go. Yeah, my man.
Oh, there you go, take it.
Oh my God! Oh, he came inside the car. He came inside the car when I looked at Hayden. No, stop! Don't come! No, hey, yo! No need for that. Oh, you an aggressive one. You an aggressive one, aren't you? Okay.
There's 4 coming at us.
Oh, he just breathed in my face.
Here, guy.
However you
Here
picture
you
their
go.
breath smelling, I promise you it's accurate. This one has a baby behind it. Hey.
It's kind of cute.
You're a mom. You get a full one. There you go.
You didn't check.
Enjoy.
They're kind of cute.
Oh, this one's coming right up. She's like, I know what I want.
She's coming right up.
She's like, hey, what's up?
She's so cute.
What you gonna feed me, huh?
Little girl.
What you got for me, huh? I seen you feeding them yaks. I got you, dude. Here you go.
Can they see? What are these? Alpacas?
Llamas.
Llamas?
Headed into llama country. Oh, zebras. Yo, what?
Yeah.
Oh, and yaks. And deer. Oh, they just got everything. Hey, how you doing? Why you give me that stink eye for?
Look at the one rolling in the dirt.
Oh my God. Hey.
The stink eye is unreal.
Oh, you coming in, huh? Did I entice you? Did I entice you with my treats? You don't seem happy.
What the f is happening?
That was so uncomfortable.
Excuse me?
How are you today? Uh-oh, babe.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
He's out.
There's kind of a lot of llamas right now. This is getting a little dangerous.
Here you go. Here you go. Take it.
Uh-oh. We got llamas running with us. We running with the llamas. We running with the llamas.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
All right. Operation Feed the Llamas.
Okay, Llama. Come here, Llama.
Llama Jamma.
Are you kidding me?
Llama Mama Jamma. Yeah, you know you want it. Come on. Just take it, dude. Oh, God.
Can I?
What is...
Can you pull up so I can?
Yeah. Oh, why he... Oh, no.
Come on.
I'll walk around.
Come on.
I see the vision.
Come on. Here. You want it? Take it.
Take it. Take it.
Here.
He's still trying to grip it. That was too funny.
Here, home dog.
Oh. Oh, Lord.
Homie.
Oh, my goodness. He wants that. He's not happy at all.
It's coming. Come on, baby. Hi, honey. Here you go. Sorry.
Come on, dude.
He's so cute.
Hey, baby. How are we doing?
I want to give.
Good boy.
The like hair all over its mouth. Hello, bear. Bear. Hey, bear. Here you go, bear. Uh-oh, I hit the line. You don't want to touch that, do you? Here you go, bear. Sorry. Oh, he's grabbing it.
Oh, he's big.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hi, buddy.
Wow, he is big. Jeez.
Should we get that one too?
Yeah. Holy cow.
There she goes. Okay, so what we're about to go through is where damage happens.
Yep, we got all the bison and all the elk surrounding the car. In just a second here, there's the elk over there.
Jeez.
So,
Uh-oh, hello, here you go. Yep, there you go.
I told ya. Hey, come on.
They're coming.
Come on. Come on. Woo! Hi.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, the bison are just waiting.
They're
oh my
literally
God.
sitting
Oh
there
my God,
watching.
they're running. They're running. Ah! He's grabbing the bag. He's grabbing the bag.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
This is a bad idea. Bad idea.
Its tongue touched me!
Dude, it's over there. It's over there. It's over there.
Their tongues just come at you. Oh, oh, babe, babe, babe.
I'm laughing way too hard right now.
Oh man, babe. Gotta get over here.
Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. This is getting interesting.
What?
There's a lot of
Take
them.
a bite, take a bite. Everyone
There's a
just
lot
take
of them.
Oh no. Hello, here you go.
Ah, ah, ah,
No.
ah, ah. Hi, how are you today? Hi. 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 Oh no.
Oh man, babe.
Oh, this is not good.
Oh man.
What's up, Sandy? Yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. What? What happened?
This little one just comes up and goes. "Ugh." Oh no,
My
babes.
dude. Oh.
No, come on.
It's
Here.
so hard. What's up, guys? Hope you enjoyed that montage of us at the Olympic Game Farm. We just got home. Thought that was pretty fun.
It was so fun.
How was your first time there?
It was so fun.
Worth going?
It was definitely worth going, and we're definitely going again.
What was that?